Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to stop loss on Mitrade. And if you want to do this, it's quite simple because you need to create yourselves an account. And then after that, we go right here to search symbols. Then we search right here for the symbol where we want to create a stop loss order on. So let's do, for example, right now, Bitcoin. Then we click here on Bitcoin and now we are having a nice green chart, by the way. And now we are having here Bitcoin. Then what we're going to do is create an order here on the right on the order panel. And we can do this simply by clicking here on buy, market, fill in right here for how many lots we want to step in, the quantity. And we can also drag right here to put a percentage of our balance to this position. So let's do a percentage of 5. And then the only thing that we need to do is click here on stop loss and fill in right here your stop loss level. So this means that let's do, for example, 75K, that when this price of Bitcoin goes down to 75K, he will automatically close or trade. So that is nice if we are not online or not 24/7 checking the chart. And then after that, we click right here on buy. And now we are having right here a nice position, a buy position long with this as quantity. And then right here at stop loss, they're standing 75K. And this means that when that price will hit, that he will automatically close the trade for us. So right now we created an order with a stop loss, and that is how you can stop loss in Mitrade. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.